Welcome to your weather forecast ahead of the weekend. On our satellite, you'll see predominantly dry and clear conditions across South Africa on Friday, except over the far northeastern and southwestern corners. You'll see a large amount of moisture moving in the northeast, with thundershowers mainly over Limpopo, Mpumalanga and Gauteng. And then there's the cold front bringing in wintry weather in the middle of November. With that front, we might even see some snow over the Western Cape Mountains overnight. It also brings in rainfall over the southern part of South Africa on Saturday, as well as cooler weather all the way through to the central and even southeastern part of South Africa. Thundershowers are forecast over the northeastern and eastern parts, and with the system, the South African Weather Service have issued a warning for gale force winds along the coast, and that's between Cape St. Francis and Port Alfred. They've also issued a warning for high seas along the coast, and that's between Mossel Bay and Durban. Here's a look at your weather forecast in detail on Saturday, with a hot day for the majority of KwaZulu-Natal with a high of around 30 degrees, Pietermaritzburg at 27, all with thundershowers, but with that cooler air reaching Durban at 22. A much cooler day is forecast for the Eastern Cape, with maximum temperatures expected to peak in the upper teens, 20 degrees for East London with the possibility of rainfall, with showers mainly over the southern parts of the province and predominantly over the western parts. A cold and wet day for George with a maximum of only 16 degrees with the chance of rain. We're also expecting rain through to the Western Cape, 19 as we head into Cape Town, with Hermanus and Worcester expecting a high of 18 degrees. Much drier though as we head along the west coast, 18 for Springbok with a dry day forecast, cooler for Uppington at 23 degrees and a cool forecast for De Aar at only 17. Partly cloudy at 22 as we head into Bloemfontein, with showers expected mainly over the eastern part of the Free State, Bethlehem with a high of 24. Vryburg remains dry with a high of 24 degrees on Saturday, but with thundershowers as we head further east, Rustenburg topping 27. For Limpopo, we can expect warm weather for Polokwane and Tzaneen at 27, 35 degrees as we head into Messina, 38 for Skukuza, mostly cloudy throughout Mpumalanga with highs in the mid-20s and the possibility of scattered thundershowers. Scattered thundershowers also forecast for Gauteng, Soweto and Johannesburg at 25 and Pretoria expecting a high of 27. It's going to be an incredibly windy day along the southern and southeastern coastline, with the possibility of gale force winds along parts of the Eastern Cape coast and a fresh southerly wind for Cape Town. On Sunday, thundershowers are expected in the northeast with that cooler air moving in over the eastern part of South Africa, but things start to dry out and even warm up over the western part of the country, with the possibility of drizzle along the east coast on Monday and a cool day with cloudy conditions and the possibility of showers in the northeast. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely weekend.